morning, I am Farooq.
And I am Shrikar. We are here to bring you latest and most inspiring news from the world of space exploration.
Today we proudly present a special report on Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, who has made history by becoming the first Indian citizen to reach the International Space Station. Join us as we take you through his amazing journey, from the streets of Lucknow to the stars above. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla to make history as India's next man in space. Shubhanshu Shukla reaches the stars. India celebrates its first astronaut on the ISS. The detailed news is as follows. Mr. Shubhanshu Shukla has made history by becoming the first Indian citizen to reach the International Space Station. He is now orbiting Earth as part of Axiom 4 space mission, representing India on the global stage.
The mission lifted off-road aboard SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule from Cape Canaveral, USA. It is a joint operation involving NASA, ISRO, Axiom Space and SpaceX, making it truly international.
Shubhanshu is the second Indian to go to space after Rakesh Sharma's legendary mission in 1984. But unlike Sharma, Shukla is the first to visit the ISS, marking a new era in India's space presence.
Born in Lucknow in 1985, Shubhanshu showed signs of brilliance from a young age. He often spends nights on terrace and pointing at stars and telling his parents, "I will go there someday."
He joined the National Defence Academy and became a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force. Later, he earned a master's in aerospace engineering from the prestigious Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore.
He became a test pilot, flying advanced jets like Su-30 MKI, Jaguar and MiG-21. With over 2,000 hours of flying, he was selected for ISRO's astronaut program in 2019.
He trained at the Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Center in Russia and later at ISRO Center in Bangalore. His dedication, focus and performance made him a perfect candidate for international missions.
In February 2024, he was officially announced as one of the 4 astronauts for India's Gaganyaan mission. However, his first flight has now become the AX-4 mission, gaining vital experience before Gaganyaan.
His proud mother said, "My son's dream was to touch the stars. Today he is living the dream." His father, a retired school teacher, added, "He always asked questions beyond textbooks. He was curious about the universe."
Aboard the ISS, Shukla is conducting Indian scientific experiments in zero gravity. He's testing how seeds like moong and methi grow in space, helping future space farming.
He is also studying microgravity's impact on human health, sleep, and immunity. These studies will help design safer, longer missions in space, including lunar and Martian journeys.
A soft toy, swan, named Joy, gifted by his daughter, floats with him as a symbol of peace and love. This reminds him of his family on Earth, keeps his daughter smiling whenever she sees him in video calls.
He is part of a diverse team that includes astronauts from Poland, Hungary, and veteran NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson. Together they represent unity in science beyond borders and politics.
This mission also helps ISRO understand space station operations before India builds its own in coming decades. It gives our scientists real-time data on global teamwork experience.
India's space story begins in 1963 when Dr. Vikram Sarabhai launched the first rocket from Tumba. It continued with major achievements like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan and Aditya L1.
In 1984, Rakesh Sharma made history by saying "Sare jahan se acha" from space. Now in 2025, Shukla waved from the ISS, proudly holding the tricolor flag in zero gravity.
This is not just a space mission. It is a moment of national pride and youth inspiration. Millions of students across India now see their own dreams reflected in Shubhanshu's space journey.
Shukla said in a message, "I carry the dreams of every Indian child who dares to look up and wonder." His voice, from hundreds of kilometers above the earth, inspires confidence in our future.
His success proves that with discipline, vision and dedication, nothing is impossible. It also shows that India is ready to lead in global space exploration.
Prime Minister Modi interacted with astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla aboard the ISS, saying, "You are carrying the dreams of 1.4 billion Indians." Shubhanshu humbly replied, "Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister. I feel true blessed representing India among the stars. When we look up at the night sky, we know someone from our land is smiling down from space." Montessori India School proudly wishes astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla a safe stay in space and successful landing back on Earth.
Dear Shubhanshu Shukla, India is proud of your journey to space and you are an inspiration to the younger generation. Montessori Indus wishes you a safe and successful return.
Now, let's watch this special greeting and wishes from the enthusiastic children of Indus School.
Namaste from Indus School to the shining star, Mr. Shubhanshu Shukla sir.
You have taken India to new heights. Now come home safe.
Stay safe, stay strong. We await your return.
Your success is our celebration. Safe travel.
Indus School is proud of you. Fly high and stay safe.
Wishing you a Shubh mission and a safe landing.
Thank you for listening to this special space bulletin presented by Farooq and Shrikar. We hope Shubhanshu Shukla's journey inspires each one of us to dream big and reach for the stars. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always believe that nothing is beyond your reach. We are signing out for now and we'll meet you again with more exciting updates next time. Thank you and Jai Hind.